Hi friends, welcome to our channel Neon Forge. Do hit the like, share and subscribe buttons of our channel. A history about New Year. A move from March to January. The celebration of the New Year on January 1st is a relatively new phenomenon. The earliest recording of a New Year celebration is believed to have been in Mesopotamia, circa 2000 BC. And was celebrated around the time of the vernal equinox, in mid-March. A variety of other dates tied to the seasons were also used by various ancient cultures. The Egyptians, Phoenicians and Persians began their new year with the fall equinox, and the Greeks celebrated it on the winter solstice. The early Roman calendar designated March 1st as the new year. The calendar had just 10 months, beginning with March. That the new year once began with the month of March is still reflected in some of the names of the months. September through December, our 9th through 12th months, were originally positioned as the 7th through 10th months. Septem is Latin for 7, Octo is 8, Novem is 9, and Decem is 10. January joins the calendar. The first time the new year was celebrated on January 1st was in Rome in 153 BC. In fact, the month of January did not even exist until around 700 BC, when the second king of Rome, Numa Pontilius, added the months of January and February. The new year was moved from March to January because that was the beginning of the civil year, the month that the two newly elected Roman consuls, the highest officials in the Roman Republic, began their one-year tenure. But this new year date was not always strictly and widely observed, and the new year was still sometimes celebrated on March 1st. Julian Calendar, January 1st officially instituted as the new year. In 46 BC, Julius Caesar introduced a new, solar-based calendar that was a vast improvement on the ancient Roman calendar, which was a lunar system that had become wildly inaccurate over the years. The Julian calendar decreed that the new year would occur with January 1st, and within the Roman world, January 1st became the consistently observed start of the new year. Middle Ages, January 1st abolished. In medieval Europe, however, the celebrations accompanying the new year were considered pagan and unchristian-like, and in 567 the Council of Tours abolished January 1st as the beginning of the year. At various times and in various places throughout medieval Christian Europe, the new year was celebrated on December 25th, the birth of Jesus, March 1st, March 25th, the Feast of the Annunciation, and Easter. Gregorian Calendar, January 1st restored. In 1582, the Gregorian calendar reform restored January 1st as New Year's Day. Although most Catholic countries adopted the Gregorian calendar almost immediately, it was only gradually adopted among Protestant countries. The British, for example, did not adopt the reformed calendar until 1752. Until then, the British Empire and their American colonies still celebrated the New Year in March. Today, however, March is just another month in the Gregorian calendar and is no longer considered to be a special time for any kind of observance or celebration. Those religions and cultures using a lunar calendar have continued to observe the beginning of the year on days other than January 1st. In the Jewish religious calendar, for example, the year begins on Rosh Hashanah, the first day of the month of Tishri, which falls between September 6th and October 5th. The Muslim calendar normally has 354 days in each year, with the new year beginning with the month of Muharram. The Chinese New Year is celebrated officially for a month beginning in late January or early February. Other Asian cultures celebrate the day at various times of the year. In southern India the Tamils celebrate the New Year at the winter solstice, Tibetans observe the day in February, and in Thailand the day is celebrated in March or April. The Japanese have a 3-day celebration January the 1st to the 3rd. Neon Forge wishes you all a happy new year. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, Do share and subscribe our channel Neon Forge.